Yeah, so today is our last day of the 3 year flat mateship that we had in Bangalore. So, the start of our new chapter that was Bangalore. We were always like, Divya and I had been flatmates since then. We had changed two houses. We spent our time in two houses here, and now we're moving to two different houses in two different, very different areas. So that's gonna be a new one for us. Excited but very, very scared. So we thought we wanted to like share a couple of thoughts uh, regarding that.
It's like hitting me now as we're speaking that it's like the final few hours and 3.5, by the way.
Oh,
Don't
yeah.
discount.
Yeah.
um, I don't know, like I'm so used to you at this point. um, but I guess there's like a lot left to learn, and I don't know.
Oh, yeah. Like I think so. How we came to this decision was also when we realized that we, like, at least I was also being too dependent, like, on Divya for a couple of things like electricity bill, things like we had divided our chores, right? Some of the managing the house help or managing some of the people management stuff I would do, and the other utility management stuff Divya would do. And even though division of chores is important, it is also important to be aware of the fact that how these are done, right? So say tomorrow we go into some other city, and in general at 27 we should be, it's a decade of being an adult, and I thought that I wasn't doing a very good job at being an adult. I wasn't eating right, and we both wanted to improve our health, movement, overall, just living a better life, and just thought this upheaval in our life just like shaking us up that hey, wake up, too much into the comfort zone. That happened to us when we shifted to Bangalore, and I think 3 years is a good time to get comfortable, which we got, and now we want
It's
to
time for a new
stir
new challenge, essentially.
new challenge. It's very interesting,
Mm-hmm.
and um,
Yeah, it's been, I would say, like a real I don't know if privilege is the right word, but like not a lot of people have that where they get to live with a friend, right?
exactly. Oh
Like
my god, yeah. I
you,
can't agree more.
yeah, because like you're essentially living as flatmates, as like sharing a space, but you might not always share a friendship with them. Eventually हो जाता है, पर um, this was like sharing the house in a very real sense and not just occupying two
Exactly, two
different
different
rooms.
rooms. Like we would, we would just share the space in a sense. Like the home was a very shared space. Like we had
Hmm.
made it our own. Like we had this living room which we had made it into our, like, the characters, uh, like both of our personalities, both of our
Likes, dislikes, aesthetics were mixed and stuff. Yeah.
yeah, they had really come out here, and like everything like just, and even in each other's room, actually a lot of the elements in each other's room, a lot of things were borrowed and learnt. Like I learnt that, oh, this pillow that Divya got
Yeah.
really helps her, so I got a similar one in my room, and then eventually both of us are not even using it. So like, if that's the case, then like it's just stuff that we do together. It's the similar college or like hostel like mindset that in the wing somebody gets something which is very nice, we talk about it, and I get the same thing. So it has never been that hey, it is already there in the house, why are you getting another one? It was always like, hey, I've got this, this is really nice. So we always had that individualistic mindset, and we always had that space to grow individually, and we really liked it. I really liked it, and even like when we would go grocery shopping physically, whenever we went, those times, it was always like, oh, let's get this for the house, and it was never, hey, let's divide this. It was always, I'm getting these fruits, I'm getting these fruits, it's for the house.
Hmm.
Whenever you feel like, why don't you eat it? It's like fruits
Yeah.
are gonna go bad in 3 days. Someone has to eat it. So it's not gonna be that
You know,
do
like keeping track of
track of
every single
anything.
slice of bread.
I'm coming back and like I'm keeping my stuff in my cupboard
Hmm.
and your stuff in your. Then why even buy it together? Go alone and buy it, right? Like, why
Right.
am I buying stuff with you, letting you know that I have something which is in my cupboard?
Hmm.
That just brings all the more, like, weird
Yeah, weirdly
energy.
territorial energy,
Energy,
whereas this
exactly.
was a lot more,
Cohesive,
yeah,
community.
cohabitative and
Yeah, I
yeah.
agree.
And like you always have someone to talk to in the house and like
It's
chill
always
with and hang out
yeah.
with. I mean, it's like a real. I think we've been really spoiled,
We have.
like
Oh my god.
by this
Dude, by this
experience.
experience, like we go out, like I was just ordering food. It was like, Divya, what do you need? There was like, what do you need? Like, even now we know each what would each other order.
Hmm.
What would each other, like what would like Siley or Divya order, and it's sometimes on Splitwise, sometimes not
A
on
lot of times
Splitwise.
it's not.
Now we're at a point where past it. Like, we're just like, I'll pick up the bill sometimes. She'll pick up the bill. She'll pick up the this thing for some time. Uber. Oh my god, I am the
We've
passenger
never
princess.
put-
Yeah,
yeah.
we've stopped putting, like, I am the passenger princess half the time, and because like it's just so, like, I don't know. It's just very
It's
comfortable.
very understood. Like
Yeah.
you know, like I've paid once, you will pay another time, or even if it's
just
not tracked like that on
trackable,
paper, it's just
yeah.
understood ki ho jayega like over time.
Yeah.
And even if it doesn't, like if
That's
it's like
not
a small
something
difference,
we
we
would,
don't
like,
wanna, yeah.
bring into this thing. And a lot of like my books that I'm reading are even just stuff from Divya's library, and I just go to her. So a lot of things about adulting, I was not even like, I didn't know, and Divya has taught me. It's
Aw.
been a lot, like slightest of things, and things also making me aware about, like, I just didn't know how to operate some things, and Divya has shown me how to do that, like s- very utilitarian things, very things about appliances I would not know. I wouldn't know the difference between this kind of appliance or this kind of appliance, or which one is better, or how to tell something if it's better, how to make the right choices while buying something.
Yeah.
It's just, I'm not saying it is definitely not her responsibility to do that, but I've been very lucky that she does it for me.
Aw.
And like, even things like, how does a shower cover work is something that she has taught me. Like, generally, like, what, why would we have it? And like, just the fact when she ordered is when I realized that, oh, there is a shower cover which is so pretty, and like, I still to date actually have forgotten how does it work. But she was like, hey, I've ordered two, you keep one, I'll keep one. And that's, I was like, oh,
Talking
free.
about the little plant
Yeah, the
thingy.
plant
Oh,
thingy.
it's so cute.
I was like, oh, I'm
remember.
just getting a free shower cover for no reason.
Drain
Okay.
cover.
Drain cover, not shower cover. Drain
But
cover.
yes,
Yeah.
it had like a little plant that
Plant
was
on
coming
it.
out.
And I was like, what do I do with this? And that's the beauty of like living with your friend, right?
Hmm.
Like, she will unapologetically, like, without any
Assume.
question. It was almost like she was my she is my big sister I never
Aw.
had, but also my friend, right? So it's like, I don't fight with her. Yes, I do. I mean, we have
We
had
have,
some
yeah.
fights, but those are not even because of our relationship. It was also because of external
A lot of
people,
times. Yeah.
relationships. Like, like it was always external, I think, our fights. It was never.
And even if internal, like we move past them super
so
quickly.
yeah, I'm so glad we could talk about it, and we were like so mature about it, and we could tell if it was like 2 days, we could tell the tension is brewing, and we would be like, oh shit,
Need to diffuse it,
we
yeah.
have to talk about it, because and we knew what's up, like, and it's coming up in conversations, it's coming up in actions. Oh, the door is being like the door is being like shut in a very like
Specific manner, yeah.
So it's you can tell, but I'm super glad I got to do this with you. I don't think I will be able to live
With anybody else, yeah.
yeah, with
Me neither. Like, it's just, it can't. There is no way it will match
like
up
so
to this.
long. The thing is,
Um,
3 years is a very long time to live with someone
Yeah.
apart from your like family. Like even with your sibling or with your family during COVID, if you lived, it was just like it would drive you insane after a point. So I think the fact that we achieved this is a real feat.
Yeah.
And
And likewise, like, I want to add what you said about me buying things for you. You also do that for me. You once saw a sale for like the electric toothbrush, and you just bought one personalized for me with my name. And
yeah.
I love that. Like,
Yeah.
thank you. And in general, like, you've taught me a lot about finances. You've taught me a lot about being mindful and, like writing down my thoughts and so on. You've taught me abundance mindset like a lot. I've taken that from you a
Yeah.
lot. And so much cool music. And also I love that, like my family is really nuclear, and I love that you have a big family, and it's kind of like my family at this point. Like, they keep coming, and then all of
Yeah.
these people that I've also built relationships with. So
Yeah.
yeah, and like we have very similar attitudes towards spending. I think, where we draw the line between convenience and making like a payment is very similar for both of us. I think that is the reason we have so few conflicts,
I think yeah.
because like we're a lot of times you're thinking what I'm already thinking, and
It's just the person who says it first. It's the point where you come where you have to take a decision where you have you take a decision of hey, am I okay to spend this much for this convenience, and that's where
That
our
trade-off.
wavelengths match,
Hmm.
which I think is a great point for the both of us. So I think that works.
Yeah, and especially when you're going to be splitting so many, like making so many financial decisions together. Like, if she was the kind of person who was like, I ate 5 slices of bread, you ate 3 slices of bread, so ye bread ka 5/3 jayega split wise pe. So
Yeah,
it
that
would never
wouldn't
fly.
work,
But
yeah.
in maybe somebody else's world, that makes sense because they want to be accountable for their finances. Yeah, like,
that's also
sure,
okay. Yeah,
that's
we
okay.
like, who are we to judge, right? Like, we
Yeah.
are nobody. But for
For
us,
us, yeah,
why it
this
worked
works
was,
great.
yeah, this.
And it's a lot less stress. Like, it takes away a lot of stress from making a purchase.
I think
and
yeah,
being able to then put
making
it
a
on.
purchase, hiring someone. There's like a
Yeah.
lot of money mindsets involved
Yes.
while sharing a space with someone. So just overall
Hmm.
overall learnings from these all years is like, whenever you take a decision to to be with someone in any capacity, I think that mindset, financial
Wavelengths match.
has to match. Like, even in friendships, even in relationships, even in flatmateship, even in companionship, I think that tells a lot. Like, that also comes a lot from the scarcity and abundance mindset. So just overall some things we have discovered, so we thought we should talk about it. So but
Also, like hosting.
oh my god,
Yeah, we gotta talk about that. I think
yeah.
we both love it in our own ways. Like, Siley is usually like the life of the party, engaging everybody. I usually like taking care of the operational stuff around it,
Yeah.
or
We take
actually,
turns
we do
during,
take
yeah.
Actually, I think you do bring out that side of me which likes to socialize a lot.
I think
and
that time
talk
I like
to-
that. I like
Hmm.
because when we are hosting at our place, I get stressed about making sure that I talk to everyone. So you take care of that. Like you make it super easy that people are talking, that you are talking to everyone, that like the people who are hosting are making sure that, because when I come in a host mode and when I come out, then I'm like, oh, are you eating, are you talking, and this is like, this just stresses people out. They're like,
Yeah.
oh, so you just ease everyone. Oh, there people are crowded, let's just go upstairs, just divide the
Yeah.
crowd, all of that management. So you're very easy breezy, which I
Yeah,
like, which
it's
I
very
it's
easy. Like,
yeah.
that's how I'll describe it. Like, from day one, it was very easy.
Yeah,
Living
it was,
together, there was very little, like,
conflicts, like we could very
friction
resolve. And oh my god,
yeah.
our WhatsApp group, the best part is we both are very text person. Like we are very less calling person. I think only today would be the person today would be the day, which is the last day, by the way. Today is the day when I called you twice.
Yeah,
or
that's
thrice,
gotta
or
be a
like 4
record.
times. I think we would have talked on a phone call less than once a day ever.
Once, yeah,
A day
much
as
less
in
than
whenever,
that. Yeah.
like everything can be resolved on on text. Like we resolve very very urgent things on text, which shouldn't be, like, which are very time sensitive. And I have my notifs off for WhatsApp, so like this is not even cool at this point.
Yeah.
But
And we have like a nice little separation where
oh yeah,
there is our chat and there is a group with just the two of
Two
us,
of us
where all the
for
house
house,
related stuff goes. So like I like that there is
Yeah.
like a nice, although we end up mixing it up sometimes.
No,
but
mix it
like,
up. I think the segregation is very clear. Like today's we would have
But,
like mixed it up a little bit, but
usually yeah.
now it'll be all on that chat. Actually, we can see.
We'll see.
We'll see about some stuff. But we also have another of the two of us when we were house hunting for the new house.
So all the
for
links would go
the current
there.
house. So it's just a nice chat, and this is the chat. This is the group chat we created back in March of 2022.
Yes.
When we were actually looking for flats, or like we were
No, when we
moving,
moved in,
yeah.
yeah.
So we moved in March of 2022. Currently, it's end of June 2025. So it's
That's
3
3
and a
years
half
and 4 months. Yeah.
Yeah, 3 point whatever, 3 years, which is a good
3.33 years, bro. Precisely.
It's a good year.
Yeah.
It's a very good number, and it's almost like we are 27. So it's 3 by 27, 1 by 9th of my life, which I've lived with Divya, and 18. I think.
Yeah, we
eight-
lived
We have
1/9
lived
of our
nine-
life together.
We have lived 1/9, and we have known each other for 1/3 of our lives.
Oh yeah.
Which is a lot. Which is a lot.
It's a lot, yeah.
So it's a
Yeah.
lot, and she has seen all sides of me. Yes, one. Second, she also like knows too much about me. Like I think she is right now the one person who knows everything about me with context. I think nobody else has this much context onto my life about my daily happenings. So that's
I
a
know
very
all about
very
her
big
random
thing.
friends and random places and their love lives and everything. Like she will
Yeah,
say,
you
she will talk
probably-
about some friend. I'm like, हाँ ये वाली ना उसने ये किया था वो किया था.
You probably don't know, but she knows you. So like that's.
I have all the goss, like all the tea on all of you.
Yeah, but she's like very she does really just absorbs and really doesn't talk to anyone about this. So don't worry, guys. It's just that's a normal thing. I'm so sorry if like that happened to you, but it doesn't go out.
It doesn't go
go
out.
out. Yeah, we don't discuss even. We just like tell each other why we were late. We were late because this thing happened. So it's very incidental and situational rather than us discussing that. oh,
Huh.
this person is like this,
It's
or this
not
person.
that, yeah.
We
It's
never
like
discuss people.
it's very like the trigger is usually you saw somebody's story
Yeah,
and like
then
we,
oh,
you
we are
you
happy
telling me
that
stories with them, your memories with them, and
them.
eventually like very organically it comes out. Like it's never from a
Place of
gossipy
yeah.
place, but it's from a getting to know each other better place, and that includes getting to know our friends and like
Better.
context about them. So and my little sister loves
That
her.
I was just coming to that. Just coming to the little sister.
Yeah, because she's Gen Z as fuck, and Madhura is actually like 10 years old, like younger than us, so she is proper Gen Z, and they get along so much. Their K-pop and their dances and like
She is like the coolest kid. She's the most mature kid, and she's the coolest kid ever. Oh my god. But it's so much fun, and the thing is, when she comes to town, then I can see why and how. Like she literally, like she is so protective, so caring of her, and then when she comes, I can see how and why Divya is Divya is like that with me. Exactly like that. Like she treats me exactly how she treats her sister. So that's why also your sister and I connect a lot because we see you treat us exactly the same.
Aw.
So that's something why we also connect that, oh, okay, if she's saying something, or she's saying something like this only. So that's, I'm like, same with my brother. I have an older brother, so he can understand, like, he really gets frustrated, and she gets why he gets frustrated with me, with my actions, with my habits. I have a sister-in-law. Like both of them get along, and like they understand each other's perspective, right?
yeah.
Much better because I live with the three of them.
Yeah.
So yes, it's just family at this point. Yeah. But I'm so grateful that I got to do this with you, and
I'm so grateful too.
uh,
We've done a lot of big things together, like moving into a new house all by ourselves, moving furniture, porters in these chairs that we're sitting on right now.
oh my god,
It was
they
the
are like
first adult thing that we did. We like found them. We went to like the seller's place, inspected them, got a
the
porter, and got them delivered
my
to our
God, I
house.
was
And I
like-
remember feeling so victorious that
We
day.
were like, these things are happening. Like, we are 24. We were 24 at that point.
Yeah.
It was like big thing.
You were, I think, not even 24. You just turned
I
23,
was just
maybe.
23, yeah. That was like a big thing
Yeah.
for us to do then, like just moving furniture.
We set up the entire kitchen, set up our entire house. We made it, added so many elements.
We
that
made
are,
it our home, like, and we
Yeah.
made it our home for a lot of our friends. A
Hmm.
lot of our friends would come there. Like, 3032 has always been a very, very monumental place for us. Like, it's an it's a memory,
Yeah.
and it's something for all of us, in our friends also, that who come back to. It's a memory place. It's a good memory place.
Yeah.
So I'm so
It's our
grateful.
happy place.
It's a happy place. That's what I was coming to. I'm so grateful that I got to do this with you, and I wouldn't have it any other way.
Me
So,
neither. Love you, bro.
love you.
I'll miss you so much.
I don't want to say that I miss you. I mean, I miss you and I love you,
Mhm.
but I don't want to say that I'll miss you because I'll see you
Yeah, all the time.
um,
But I'll miss being around you all the
around
time.
you. Like, I really want to share the same space, but I think it's time. I don't know. I just hope this is. I mean, I know this is for the best for the both of us. It's just outgrowing the time and the. It's just everything is just very hard. So I'm trying to find the best words, but I can't. So I hope you guys find this any valuable from what we experienced, and this is just our journey, a time capsule, because I know that, and you know, actually we both are aware that a lot of our friends were very invested in our flatmate trip. Like they really were rooting for always our flatmate trip, and they were like, oh, Divya and Saile's house
Yeah.
party. It's Divya and Saile's this thing. It's
Yeah.
our apartment's name 3032 3032's party. So both of, I mean, that as a concept is ending, and that's why we wanted
Yeah.
to like just have
Yeah.
this message out. And
Yeah. And I'm glad that it's ending on such a good and positive note.
correct,
It's more like, like I once compared it to moving from second year rooms in college, which were double rooms,
exactly.
to third year rooms, which are single rooms. It's just an experience that will help us grow.
Huh.
It'll help us adult, and now we get to meet each other the way we meet all of our other friends in a very different setting, and that is because that's also a new way for our relationship to
To
evolve.
grow, like it's more
Yeah.
intentional. Then we will not like start taking less each other less for granted.
Yeah.
Like now we will be more intentional with the time that we have with each other. We know it's limited. We know that we have to go back to our houses. So when we moved from second year to third year, it's inevitable, and we had to grow. So it is very essential for our growth, and we will go through it, and
Yeah.
yeah, we will uncover so many new things while doing that.
And we're
Um,
moving to like polar opposite ends of Bangalore, by the way. Like I'm moving proper North Bangalore and she's
I'm
moving to
in
South Bangalore.
so
But
it's
I know
we'll
for
figure
sure
it-
we're still going to keep meeting all the time. And yeah, obviously, like it's a given. It's not even, there's no doubt in my head. It's just, it's not sunk in yet that, like someone I'm so used to, or like an environment I'm so used to is ending. And now I have to figure life out on my own. Not on my own, I know you will always be there, but like on the daily, it's like a routine that I have to get into. And I'll have to hear my own thoughts rather than having you
yeah.
to bounce them.
Yeah,
off
just
of. But
living with your own thoughts is a
Yeah.
little difficult. It's like a little daunting,
yeah.
but we have to do it. I think when we took this decision, it was fast, definitely very fast. But when we took this decision, we knew that it is gonna be for the better of.
Yeah. It feels right. And it's not like an irreversible decision also, right? Like we can always
come
back here if
yeah.
we don't enjoy it, but it's an experience that I think is necessary for both of us to at least know whether we enjoy it or not. And I have a good feeling about this, and let's see. I'm now, like when we started this video, I was sad. And just getting my emotions together, but having talked about all of our experiences is making me realize that we had a solid run, and now I'm excited.
We had like a good one. We had so
Yeah.
many trips in the middle of all this, by the way. So that is a story for separate this thing. But we had a lot of trips. So we have been on trips with other people, with other friends,
And just
all this
between us
while.
also.
And we did a trip together as well. So we were thinking the other day that hey, why don't we just like start taking more trips?
Yeah.
So we will do that as well.
Yeah.
But thanks, guys, for coming along. You've seen her in a couple of my videos, and if you come here if you're here from Insta, then you've seen her on my Insta stories enough, so to know that Divya is such a big part of my life. So yeah, I love you.
Love you too.
Bye.
Bye.